I got to do I got to do another Dear Diary or Dear Ham Diary video because there's been a lot of things on my mind lately that I think we just need to set the record straight. Like ham radio clubs, there's a lot of YouTube videos out there that are shitting all over ham radio clubs, and I get it. Like a lot of these clubs aren't great, and they're mismanaged, and they're just not welcoming, right? But you could change that. That's the whole thing with a club, right? Is if you get people that are of the like mindset, then you can outvote the old fuddy-duddies that don't want any change. So I want to say to anybody that's really negative about ham radio clubs, just keep looking. You will find your people. Like, and if you don't, start your own damn club. Like, Live Free and Ham Now has a club call. Ham Radio Clubhouse has a club call. Toads has a club call. Like, there are plenty of options. Dude, look at Flag and Torch. 100% a online ham radio club. But it's fantastic. And the resources are great and the people are great. So, for the last time, stop shitting on ham radio clubs. Find a club that actually works for you.